Hey everybody, it's Matt Stark here again with Windermere Real Estate. Just wanted to record kind of a quick video here. We're in January 2025, and one of the questions I think a lot of people are looking at here for the first and second quarter is the market gonna heat back up here as we get into 2025 and into the spring. So, there's a few things that I'm going to be looking at in terms of leading indicators, and then there's some also lagging indicators that I saw here that I wanted to share from 2024. As we ended 2024, at least in Snohomish County, there was about 620 homes still for sale. That's about 27% higher than 2023. So a little bit more inventory coming out of the year. About 80% of those homes have been on the market for over 3 weeks. So that's a higher than average percentage of homes, but at the same time, it was a slower time in the fourth quarter, which is typical, and it also takes a little bit longer for homes to sell in the fourth quarter. So we'll probably see that number start to go down quite a bit as we get into the spring. So that's kind of looking backwards, but looking forwards, there are a few things that I think can kind of give us some indications about where we're headed here. So I wrote down a few notes here. The first thing that I'm going to be looking at in the first quarter here is, how much inventory is coming on the market on a weekly and monthly basis. We always will see more listings coming on from people that were not listing here in November, December, kind of over the holidays typically. The second thing is, how fast does that increase? And then what does the demand for those homes look like, and how fast are they selling? Really how many of those homes are going pending versus staying on the market, and how long do they stay on the market? The third thing I'm going to be watching, and I'll definitely be reporting on this, is do interest rates actually go down? I think there was a big expectation here at the end of last year that we will start to see rates come down a little bit. And unfortunately, it just hasn't really materialized. And, we've been in a band here of about 6.5% to 7% for about 6 months or so. So, if rates do start to come down, I think we can pretty confidently say that will affect demand. It'll probably bring more buyers into the market and could take some of that supply that we're going to be having come on here over the first quarter. So, I'll kind of keep you up to date about this, but those are going to be the things I'm looking at. As always, if you have any questions about your property, you'd like to, have me take a look at it, or if there's anything I can do for you, please feel free to reach out. My phone and contact is always on the email here and on the video as well. So hope you're doing well. Happy New Year, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot.